Winning the confidence vote in the Senate was a crucial victory for Prime Minister Enrico Letta. Against all expectations, Silvio Berlusconi pledged his support and said his People of Freedom Party would vote in favor of the ruling coalition. It was a last-minute about-turn. Over the past days, the former Prime Minister had been trying to topple Letta's government. Letta responded by calling this vote. He told the Senate the country needed stability, and losing would represent a fatal risk.
I appeal to all of Parliament for a vote of confidence to realize our objectives. Give us a vote of confidence for everything that has been done in these few months. A vote of confidence that is not against anyone, but a vote of confidence for Italy.
Letta needed votes from the center-right camp to secure a majority. Media reports suggested he would get those, even before Berlusconi backed down. Many PDL senators were expected to go against Berlusconi's wishes and support the government in the confidence vote. The climb down is being seen as a major setback for Berlusconi, who is facing likely expulsion from the Senate due to a tax fraud conviction. That would mean he'd lose political immunity, opening the way for further legal proceedings. On the streets of Rome, many expressed relief at the outcome.
I'm happy because Berlusconi and people like him were put in their place.
A government collapse would have been the worst possible result. So this is much better.
The vote of confidence in the government means Italy can continue on its course of economic reform.